Today I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on the Robinhood app. As you may know from my previous videos, Robinhood has a new program that will allow you to earn free cryptocurrency. If you haven't signed up for Robinhood yet, you can sign up with the link down in the description. You'll get a free stock worth up to $200 and you'll be able to participate in their new crypto earn program. This is something that just rolled out, but could allow you to earn a lot of money in the long run. But let's get right into this. You can see this AVAX here is a cryptocurrency that I have. I earned this through the earn program, and now I'm going to show you how to sell it. You could also sell any cryptocurrency that you've bought on here. You can see some that I've watched down here on the bottom: Doge, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Let's go ahead and tap on AVAX. You can scroll down to get more information here. You can also send and receive cryptocurrencies now, so I'll do a tutorial on those as well. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and tap the sell button. I can type in the amount that I want to sell. You can see I only have 79 cents available. Probably should have just sold this when I got it because it's gone down quite a bit, I think. I'm just going to tap the sell all button. So this is going to give us an estimated price, estimated AVAX. Then all I need to do is swipe up to submit. It's sending that order. AVAX order completed. Your sell order of AVAX is complete. Just tap done. There we go. I've sold that cryptocurrency. You can see quantity 0, value 0 now. And when it goes back, we can see our buying power has now increased. So that's kind of your funds right there under your chart. So when you sell, you'll be able to see your balance there increase. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, more Robinhood tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.